Hey, Dr. Lisa here. Stop 1 second. Especially if you're a health coach, a life coach, somebody who's moved from clinical care to coaching, and you're doing your thing, you're getting yourself going, but it's just not. You're still holding yourself back. You're still not showing up. You're in what I call perpetual startup mode. You're not quite getting the ROI for what you maybe envisioned in your intention through the work that you're doing to what you're finally getting. This is especially important if you're in multi-level marketing and you're getting all that business building experience and how to build a team and a downline and how to use the tools that they're giving you, but they still haven't told you how to be an independent brand and how to be a leader in you. And so you're not using your time right. You're not using your hormonal intelligence. You don't even understand how to do that because none of your mentors are teaching or connecting the dots on that, especially with your neurological system and your sense of safety and you might be able to hold space and do that awesome, but are you holding that space for you? I'm going to tell you, as somebody who worked 30 years on mind body healing, and 20 of which I was working to some degree with women, specifically through transitional times. You all break around 35 years old. There's only so many years we can live in that mold that was never made for us, never designed for us. It's not about inclusion, it's about impact. ROI Mastery is going to help you on that inner game in a way that's made for women by people who understand at a very high level using our consciousness and energy, our bodies, our minds. You've heard this before. You've heard it through the priming and jumping into ice tanks and doing all these things to get you at a place of calm. I'm going to show you how to do that without working that hard. Okay, I'm going to show you it in a way along with several other experts. Take a scroll below. You can see who you're going to be working with, and you're going to get you in the room in VIP with us. And then we're going to connect you to resources so that we can get you over your humps. I'm so excited for this event. I can't wait to meet you.